I have VIVO V3Max, and let me show you how to enter here the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the power key again. Wait until the Android here disappear, and then you need to start holding volume down. So let's be prepared. Now let's start holding volume down and keep holding volume down until the safe mode pops up. So this is the safe mode. You can unlock the screen and start using your device in a safe mode, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to disable the safe mode, let's use the power key. Tap reboot and wait until the device will be ready to use. Excellent, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.